Okay, so example 3 is where we really get into the real life stuff here. Okay, as part of a marketing plan, some businesses mark up their prices before they advertise a sales event. Some companies use this practice as a way to entice customers into the store without sacrificing their profits. All right, if they raise the cost before they advertise their discount, then customers think they're getting a better deal than they really are. Okay, so here's the question: how much profit will the business make on the sale of a couch that is marked up by 1/3 and then sold at a 1/5 off discount if the original price is $2,400? Now again, this is a much more real life problem than the last ones we are dealing with, okay? It says the first thing is that the couch is marked up by 1/3. Now this markup is going to be different than the discount, all right, but our tape diagram is still going to start off the same way. Our original price is still $2,400. Remember, if you need to pause the video in order to keep track of these diagrams, do that. This is your tool to use. Okay, now it says it is marked up by 1/3, right? So just like we did last time, the first thing we need to do is divide the tape diagram into thirds. All right, now if we're going to divide this into thirds, that means each piece, each one of my thirds is going to be worth the exact same amount. So $2,400 divided into 3 equal pieces would be... Yeah, I'm waiting for you to get the calculator out. All right, $800 each. Now it says a markup, okay? It doesn't mean we're going to be crossing one out. That'd be a discount. That'd be a discounted 1/3. If they're going to be marked up, that means the store raised its prices. They're going to charge more for the couch so that they can make some money off of this, all right? So instead of crossing off a third, I'm going to add 1/3. All right, so now my diagram's getting extra long. This extra third, just like the ones before it, is still going to be worth $800. Which means now the couch does no longer cost $2,400. Now with this added cost, the store is going to try to sell the couch for $3,200. Okay, this is what they would hope their profit would be. All right, so that took care of the first part of our problem. We have now marked it up by 1/3. But the second thing they do is sell it for a 1/5 off discount. This is how they're going to get the customers to show up. They're going to advertise a discount of 1/5. All right, so now we need a second tape diagram. They've done the markup, and now their second action is to take 1/5 off. So remember, the new price for the couch is $3,200. Our new tape diagram is going to look like this. Okay, right below your first tape diagram, now we have the second part. It says a 1/5 off discount, right? This is what you're used to, 1/5 off. So your tape diagram can be broken up into fifths. All right, this does not really matter with your artistic skills. What I'm looking for is 5 sections. All right, now $3,200, you still have your calculators. How big is each fifth going to be? $3,200 divided into 5 equal pieces. How much is each piece worth? All right, each piece is going to be worth and with a discount of 1/5 off, get rid of 1/5, which means the store is going to advertise their new cost as $3,200 minus $640 for a final selling price of $2,500. Okay, when you have both of these tape diagrams complete, make sure they are complete because your next slide is going to be a Google Forms question actually asking you to answer this problem, right? So make sure your notes are complete and then go fill out the Google form.